Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I made these angel wings. I used a paste white pigment, a golden powder pigment, and a bronze powder pigment. I used a fast cure resin for this project. After mixing the resin, I kept it aside for a minute and then I mixed my colors and then kept those aside for a minute again. I did not wait for the resin to become very thick. I started by pouring the white at the outer edges of the wings. You can see that the consistency of my resin is not very thick. Make sure that you filled up the corners. After pouring the white, the next color that I'm going to pour is the golden mica powder pigment mixed in resin. You should pour enough so that it can travel above the white. This will start pulling a very thin film of the white layer above the golden. I'm now adding some clear resin in the center. This technique will help stretch the white and create the vein-like structure or the lacing effect. You can burst the bubbles with a torch. Please be careful. If you feel that you don't have enough color anywhere, you can always add some. I'm adding the same gold color that I used earlier. You see how the white has already started pulling towards the center of the mold. Now this is after a few minutes and I see that the white has already started lacing up. Now it's time to add the bronze color. You can use any dark powder pigment for this, bronze or copper, something that's darker than the gold that you used earlier. I started by pouring the bronze line towards the outer edge of the wings. I made two lines next to each other. Because of the curves that the wings have, the color will start pulling in a certain zigzag fashion. However, to pronounce those, I am pulling in a few lines so that we can get a curvy structure to our wings. Keep cleaning your toothpick so that you don't add unwanted color anywhere in your mold. I started pulling some lines out of the gold color as well. Do not put the toothpick too deep inside the resin. It should not touch the mold, because if it does, then it might scratch your mold. You will see as the curing process starts, the lacing will become pronounced. And after about an hour, I was able to see very delicate lacing, very delicate vein-like structures on my wings. Like they say, the devil is in the detail, and we're trying to create as intricate details as possible. I just mixed a little bit of glitter in my resin and did a final top coat. These coasters turned out super shiny. Because of the engraved lines, the coaster can be used from any side. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.